Kanina, sinasabi mo, the reason why pinatigil mo ang mga gaming products because bumababa ang kita ng gobyerno. Bumaba tayo ng 90 billion sa panahon ng panunungkulan mo. From 2016 to 2018, show the graph again, hindi bumaba ang kita ng PCSO. 2016, 2017, 2018, pero dumating ka, bumaba ng 19 billion, 2020, bumaba ng 45 billion, 2021, 20 billion, 2022, 60 billion, 6 billion. Why is that so? GM Garma, a while ago you were asked kung kailan ka po na-assign sa PCSO. When was this? November 18, 2018?
I think July 15, Mr. Chair, 2019.
Okay. You started July 2019?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
July 2019, oo. And sinabi mo rin kanina sa committee na to that the reason why you stopped the gaming products that are listed on the PCSO was because nalulugi gobyerno. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, nalulugi gobyerno. So, aside sa pinatigil mo po yung mga games, what did you do?
Mr. Chair, I reviewed all the contracts and there were illegal transactions like waivers, which is not allowed under, kasi may mga COA findings po. And then there are reductions of monthly GMMRR from STLs that are board resolution lang po and then na-implement without any contract or without cancellation of the previous contract. And these are almost half of the original income that should go to government.
To the government. Yeah.
So, yung iba din po ay hindi nagbayad. And I think this is more than 5 billion pesos when I assumed the position, Mr. Chair.
My co-chair is asking, what do you mean by GMMR?
The guaranteed monthly retail receipt. That is the guaranteed monthly sales that supposedly, quota, kumbaga,
Okay.
in layman's term, is the monthly quota
Okay.
of all STLs, Mr. Chair.
Chairman, Colonel Garma, I just wanted to show a annual revenue from gaming products from 2016 up to 2023. Can we kindly show the graph? Yan. Okay. Okay. Chairman Garma, GM, I want you to realize that noong 2016, ang kinita po ng PCSO is 39.5 billion. Noong 2017 po, ang kinita po ng PCSO sa annual products sila is 52.9 billion. Noong 2018 po, 63.5 billion. Noong 2019, nung dumating po kayo, naging 44 billion. Nag-down po ng 19 billion. At nung nakaupo na po kayo hanggang 2020, 18.6 billion na lang ang naging kita ng PCSO. Noong 2020, bumaba tayo ng 45 billion. At noong 2021, kukumpara mo siya ng 2018, bumaba tayo ng 20 billion. At noong 2022, nung kayo po ay umalis na, bumaba pa rin po tayo ng 6 billion. So, kanina sinasabi mo, the reason why pinatigil mo ang mga gaming products because bumababa ang kita ng gobyerno. Bumaba tayo ng 90 billion sa panahon ng panunungkulan mo. From 2016 to 2018, show the graph again, hindi bumaba ang kita ng PCSO. 2016, 2017, 2018, pero dumating ka, bumaba ng 19 billion, 2020, bumaba ng 45 billion, 2021, 20 billion, 2022, 60 billion, 6 billion. Why is that so?
Yeah, true, Mr. Chair, sa 2019, records would show naman talaga may pandemic noong 2019, suspend yung game for a few months. So, walang gaming lahat po. So, walang kita si PCSO. And then, pagpasok po na 2020, was pandemic. And then, 2021, we are recovering kasi on and off, may palaro, mayroon mag-close kasi may mag-COVID. So, hindi po stable talaga lahat. So, yan po yung naging challenge po ng 2020 and 2021. And during those time po, may mga products na rin po kami na expired na po yung contract at the board decided not to renew the games anymore. So, yun po yung nangyari, kaya po bumaba.
Ang tanong ko sa iyo,
But,
wait. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Sa loob ng termino mo, 3 taon, 70 bilyon na nawala sa atin, considering na meron ng pandemic. But during pandemic, during 2019, at bumalik na siya ng 2020, is it just proper to justify that 90 billion? Sabihin na natin 40 billion na nawala, sabihin na natin 50 billion na nawala. Pero still, yung pagbaba ng koleksyon ng PCSO under your leadership, hindi tama eh. Ang dami na walang pera. Now, ngayon, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Chairman, GM, okay. So, during the time that you have a bad relationship with your former husband, di ba? Si Colonel Villela.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Si Colonel Villela, do you have what kind of relationship do you have with him after your annulment?
It was only lately that we became civil after I finally forgiven him 100%, Mr. Chair.
When was this na naging civil kayong dalawa?
Mga 2017 or 18, mga
2018.
ganun po. O 16.
So in other
Not
words,
sure.
you are in speaking terms already.
Yes, for the sake of the child, Mr.
Andiyan ba
Chair.
si Colonel Villela? I think we have invited Colonel Villela. Andito ba? Si Colonel Villela? The former husband of, wala. So we'll be inviting him over, no? To be a part of this hearing, Mr. Chair, no? After your retirement, GM, were you able to save something for yourself and for your child?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, do you think it's sufficient enough to have a decent living?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Are you familiar with the Pinoy Beats bar and restaurant in America? The 6 restaurants, Pinoy Beats Bar and Grill sa Las Vegas, sa downtown LA, sa Los Angeles. Are you familiar with these restaurants?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You're familiar? Do you have an association with these restaurants?
No, Mr. Chair.
Why are you familiar with this?
Kumain na po ako dyan, Mr. Chair.
Kumain ka na?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And do you know a certain Lauro Calonso?
Mr. Chair?
Do you know Lauro Calonso?
Lauro Alonso?
Yes. Do you know him?
I don't know the name. If I can see the face, Mr. Chair, perhaps.
Sige, I will be posting it in our Andiyan ba si Villela? Wala nga daw eh. I'm asking for the presence of Colonel Villela. So we will be inviting over, no? Because this is your former husband, am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And this is him as well, right? In the Pinoy Beats, together with a certain Chris Hero. You know Chris Hero?
Maybe sa mukha lang po, Mr. Chair, but sa
Okay.
names, I'm
warning
very
you,
poor on
We're
names, Mr.
warning
Chair.
you, be
Yes.
truthful.
Yes,
no?
Mr. Chair.
Because we are not showing yet others, no? We're just trying to establish muna yung ownership, no?
Yes, sir.
So, anyway, do you know a certain Nolasco Merluza? Nolasco Merluza.
I'm not familiar of the name. Maybe
Have
kung
you been
makita
with
ko
him?
pong,
Have you been with him? Yes or no?
kung makita ko po mukha, pwede ko pong maalala, Mr. Chair, but names, I'm very poor on names, Mr. Chair.
Ito na, sinasabi ko sa iyo, ayan, no? Si Kai Calonso, kilala mo? Si Larry Calonso, kilala mo? Yes or no?
Kaya,
Kilala mo, yung may-ari ng Noy Pits, yung restaurant. Yes or no? Dali, may pakikita ako sa iyo. Kilala mo, yes or no?
perhaps na-meet ko, Mr. Chair, but
Nakilala
I cannot
mo.
recall. Oh, yes, Mr.
Yes.
Chair. Perhaps, Mr. Chair, but
Kaya
I
huwag ka na
cannot recall.
magsinungaling eh.
Yes.
Kasi nga nakikita naman namin dito, andito na nga galing sa United States. Ha? Andito na po yung mga sa State of California, yung mga pangalan nila. Ha? And, of course, we will establish that. Don't worry. We will reach that. Now, tanong ko sa iyo, GM, you know a certain Loretta Villarta Grear? Yes.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pangalan niya Lot, correct?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Chair.
So si Lot, trusted mo siya, di ba?
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
trusted mo siya. May I invite SPO for Loretta Villarta Grear on the next hearing, Mr. Chairman? Active pa ba siya?
Retired na po, Mr.
Retired na siya.
Chair.
How about Lieutenant Colonel Barondog? Do you know this guy?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, and as a matter of fact, he was ambushed together with his wife, Ibon, di ba?
Yes, Mr.
During the
Chair.
time that you were the head of
Yes,
the
Mr. Chair.
Davao. Davao ba yun? Davao, Cebu. Cebu. Yes, Cebu. Okay. Itong si Ibon, Barondog, ano siya? Is he a politician, public servant, barangay captain? Is she a barangay captain?
When I met her, she was the barangay.
Correct.
Barangay
She was a
captain.
barangay captain of Calamba.
Yes, Mr.
Correct. Doon sa tinatawag nating Cebu, Hilltop. Tama? Do you have a property in Hilltop?
Chair. None, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, wala sa pangalan mo.
Wala, Mr. Chair.
Yun, wala sa pangalan mo. Nasa iba. Tama?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Right. So, do you have a former boyfriend from the province of Laguna? A politician?
Laguna?
Yes. Wala.
Wala, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure? Again.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
All right. Sige. I'm just asking you, para at least, Mr. Chairman, the reason why I'm asking the relationship, medyo, meron lang tayong, hindi lang muna natin divulge, but of course, in the right time, we will. Do you have a property in Santa Maria, Laguna?
None, Your Honor.
Nan.
Wala po.
kang kalahating bundok na pag-aari mo sa Santa Maria, Laguna?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay, I will check it out. I'm from Laguna. Rest house sa Bulacan?
Bulacan?
Yes. Wala rin.
Wala po akong rest
Alright.
house sa Bulacan, Mr. Chair.
How about a house in Hawaii?
Wala din po, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
wala din. Alright. So, nung nasa PCSO ka, nag-away kayo ni Sandra Cam. Am I correct?
It's a love and hate relationship, Mr.
Love and
Chair.
hate relationship.
As a
And what's the
board
reason
member
why
of
you have a
GM?
love and hate relationship with Sandra Cam?
Mr. Chair, sometimes we have different opinions,
On
Mr.
what?
Chair.
Different opinions on what?
On some concerns of
What is
PCSO.
concern? Like what?
An example,
Oh, what?
minsan po sa STL,
Oh, why?
Okay.
Why on STL?
when we formulated the IRR, we have different opinions, Mr. Chair, on matters pertaining to waivers, whether it is illegal or legal. So we have different opinions on that matter.
Was this issue of love and hate relationship reach the Senate?
No,
Yes or
Mr.
no?
I don't remember, Mr. Chair, na
In the House
meron
of
po.
Representatives?
Hindi rin po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi kayo nagkaroon ng hearing
Hindi po.
sa Senate? You are lying, ha?
No, hindi po ako.
You are lying. But
Mr.
this issue reached the Senate committee. Am I correct?
I,
Napag-usapan ba ito sa committee? Hindi. Your love and hate relationship with Sandra Cam. Does it reach the Senate committee on games?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair, that we reached the Senate. I
Hindi
think
mo
it was
ma-recall
the
na-
other general manager and chairman, Mr. Chair, but not me.
So,
Mr.
hindi ikaw
Chair.
yun?
I think it's not me. We
Are
never
you sure?
reached the Senate. Yes,
Sige,
Mr.
I will
Chair.
check the records on this, because I haven't watched that that issue yet. But
Yes.
I'll be trying to find out if this issue of the Sandra Cam and you really exists in the hearing of the Senate or even here in the House of Representatives. So, in other words, Mr. Chairman, the reason why I tackled that issue because may kinalaman po ito doon sa pagtaas at pagbaba ng pondo ng PCSO that was tackled by the members and the directors of the PCSO when GM Garma was the head of that agency. Just come to think of it, it's only during her time na bumaba. Sabihin na natin that pandemic, but 90 billion lost to the government? Why and how? Di ba? So, Madam Chair, I will be, Madam Chair, sorry. Mr. Chair, I wanted to reiterate my invitation to SPO for Loretta Villarta Grayar alias Lot, si Lieutenant Colonel Barondog ng Class 2007 PNPA, and also Colonel Villela must be invited over, and also soon, Mr. Chairman, I'll be inviting over also those owners of these restaurants, and at the same time, yung po mga minention ko po mga properties. For now, Mr. Chairman, I'll be yielding my time to the others who wanted to interpolate, and thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Marina Bildan, galing Mukong Dan, sige balatan mo nga siya ng maayos para makita ang katotohanan. Pahayag naman ni Flor Bueno, parang nagka-amnesia siyang biglang nakalimot. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Pila Carza. Grabe pala kurap tayo niya sa PCSO, itinago sa ibang tao sa ibang bansa. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.